Hello everyone at Healthy Home. I am Christian Drapeau, developer of StemActive. Now here is a crash course on StemActive. StemActive is a blend of plant extract that have been documented to support the natural release of stem cells from the bone marrow, so that within an hour or two after consumption, you will have a significant increase in the number of stem cells circulating in your bloodstream. Now, to understand why this is important for your health, for your life, for your survival, we need to understand what is the role of stem cells. Most of the time when we talk about stem cells, or anybody, when we mention stem cells, the understanding is that stem cells is something that is done to us. We go somewhere to receive stem cells. It's a treatment that is being done. We rarely talk about the fact that stem cells are already into your body, in your bone marrow, and they already play a crucial role not only in your health, but also in your survival. If you did not have stem cells, if you did not release stem cells every day, you would not be alive today. So stem cells are mother cells. Essentially, they're cells they're nothing. Their role is actually in their ability to transform into other type of cells. They are your repair system. Anytime there is an injury in the body or something is not functioning properly, the affected area will trigger the release of stem cells from the bone marrow, and then will trigger the migration of stem cells in circulation into this affected tissue, where stem cells will transform into that tissue, literally repairing that organ or tissue. This is your repair system. Just like you have an immune system, you have a repair system. This is the role of your stem cells in your body. In the course of development of stem cell research, something else has been revealed about stem cells that to me is actually the most important to know about stem cells. Stem cells are also your renewal systems, and here's what this means. Today, the general understanding of health and disease formation in the whole world of medicine is that we are born, we mature, we reach peak health around 20, 25 years of age, and after that, it's a slow decline as the body just wears out. And along the way, we start to develop so-called age-related problems. But stem cell research has revealed that this is not the case. Yes, this is what we experience, but physiologically, that is not the case. What is happening is that from the day you are born, you lose cells in various tissues and organs of the body. And to stay healthy, stem cells are there to replace the cells that are being lost. So there is in the body this process of tissue turnover. Every single organ and tissues in your body have their own turnover rate. You have a new skin every month, a new lining of the intestine every 5 days, a new liver every 2-3 years, new pancreas every 4-6 years, half of a new heart every 25 years. These numbers are not precise, but what is relevant here is to understand that every part of your body, they're constantly into this process of tissue turnover. So as you lose cells, in order to stay healthy, you need to have enough stem cells in your bloodstream to offset cellular loss, and then you maintain the balance of health. The problem is that we are born with red marrow, and that red marrow that makes stem cells very early in life transforms into fatty marrow or yellow marrow that does not make stem cells. By age 30, we have lost almost 95% of the red marrow that we were born with. And this is mirrored by a drastic decline in the number of stem cells in circulation. Somewhere there's a point in our 30s when we lose that balance. We start to not have enough stem cells in circulation to offset that day-to-day cellular loss. From that point on, there's a cumulative, a very slow, very small cumulative deficit that adds up over the years and leads to the development of various kinds of so-called age-related problems. If we take a blood sample of people who have developed various types of age-related problems, and we compare the number of stem cells in the bloodstream of these people with healthy people of the same age, what we see is that the people who have developed age-related problems have on average half the number of stem cells or less that we find in healthy people. There's a direct link between the number of stem cells in circulation and your ability to repair, but also your ability to stay healthy as you age. So that is why supporting the natural role of stem cells in the body is so crucial in order to stay healthy. There are many things that we can do for health, to support mitochondrial function, to support energy production in the body with molecules like NMN, resveratrol. You need to have a good intestinal flora. There are so many things that are important for health, but there is nothing that is so fundamental to your health than supporting your body's innate health system, the ability of stem cells to essentially keep you healthy as you age. So once we understand the role of stem cells in the body, it makes so much sense to simply support this innate ability to simply help the body stay healthy every day of our lives. So take StemActive every day and then experience what your stem cells can do for you.